Good morning, children. So let us continue our today's class. Yesterday what we have started, that is a poem. It's all about environment and me. Now you understood what is environment? Environment means our surrounding, and me. And me means including you. You are living here in the environment, and what you see in your surrounding? You see beautiful sceneries and water flowing, waterfall, then different kinds of or varieties of beautiful flowers which God has given gift for us. So this is what all our environment. Okay, and what we have learned? We have learned 5 to 6 lines yesterday. Many of you have written very neatly on the line. See here, I am writing on the board. Afterwards, I am showing you how to write in the full line notebook also. And those who are not writing properly, you should be careful. Okay? Now, let us start. We will revise yesterday's that lines what we have learned. What is that? Environment. What, children? Environment. Environment. A big word. Isn't it a big word? Very good. And how many letters are there in an environment? 11 letters. How many? 11 letters. So, a big word. 11 letters. What is it? What is it? The air I breathe. So, the surrounding air what I breathe. The water I see. I see the water in the river, pond, lake, river. So, the water I see. Every plant or tree that grows. Nowadays, if you go outside, you see many type of trees, shrubs, herbs. So, every type of plant you will see now that grows. Every plant and tree or tree that grows. Every person and place I know. Now I know every person, our neighbors, our friends, our relatives, and the place we go to visit to some other places. Now in my surrounding I know every person or place. So up till here we have stopped it. Now let us continue today. First of all, what I will do? I will write the remaining lines. Then in our next class, we will complete the poem. We will read the complete poem. So, all of you open your notebook. Now, I will write the remaining lines and we will read it, children. See, I have written the remaining lines. Shall we start reading? Okay, all of you. Look here. Look at the board. See, it is very important. It is very important. See, this is our environment. Yes, no? See, in our environment, what we are having? We are having air, water, land. We live on land. Water flows also on the land. And water comes in the form of rain. And the air we breathe. So, isn't it all these things in our environment is very necessary and important for us, children? Yes, it is essential. It is very important. So here remaining lines we will learn that only. See, it is very important. We need water, we need food, we need clothing, we need shelter, we need land to live. So it is very important. I cannot live without it. So I cannot live without my environment. I am nothing without my environment. So I cannot live without it. It means our environment. Next, it gives me all I need. How it gives me all I need? On land we live. We build a house, we live. And we grow the crops. We grow the fruits, what we eat. So, it gives me all I need. The water which we drink, which we have bath, which we use for our daily uses. And the air. Without air, can we live, children? No. Without air, we cannot live. So, our environment gives us all I need, all we need. Here you are saying about environment. So what is it? It gives me all I need. I am a part of my environment. See children, you are also a part of your environment. What? You are also a part of environment. Why? You live on environment, isn't it? So you are a part of, I am a part of my environment. Let me take good care of it. Let me take good care of it. Now children, how you will take good care of it? You should plant tree. You should not destroy the plants and you shouldn't harm the natural things. So in this way, you should take care of your environment. So here, what is that? Let me take good care of it. Let me keep my environment clean. And last one is very important thing. You have to keep your surroundings clean. Morning time, if the trees shed their leaves, you have to collect it and put it in the dustbin. You should not make the place mess. So this is the way you will try. You have to try to keep your environment clean. So children, now shall we read the remaining lines? Okay. It is very, very important. Are you reading with me? Read it loudly. It is very, very important. I cannot live without it. It gives me all I need. I am a part of my environment. Let me take good care of it. Let me keep my environment clean. So children, this is your classwork, isn't it? And what is your homework? You have to write. Now, this already you have written in your class one time. What you have to do? You have to write one time. Okay? And you have to read it 3 times. Read 3 times. Okay? Now see children, we will open our test book. Once again, we will see the surrounding and we will read from test book also. So now open test book, page number 164. Which page it is? Page number 164. Let us open the test book and do the reading. See children, I have opened page 164. Shall we continue? See today's classwork and date. It is very, very important. I cannot live without it. It gives me all I need. So this environment gives me all I need. See children, you are also a part of it, isn't it? See. Next, I am a part of my environment. You are the part of this environment also. Let me take good care of it. So what you have to do? You have to take good care of it. Let me keep my environment clean. See, this is the way you have to keep your environment clean. Okay, children? Now, what you have to do? Already you have written your classwork. At home, you have to write these lines today. What I have given in your notebook very neatly. Classwork one time, homework one time. And you have to read this poem 3 times. And you have to try to by heart it. Okay children, send your homework within time. Take care. Bye children.